Welcome to the McGrath Pittwater market update for 2021. Our local market ended strongly in December with very little stock available. And over the Christmas period, we obviously had the COVID outbreak, which resulted in owners delaying their selling plans for 2021. This ultimately created one of the quietest starts to a year in terms of new listings. Combining this with incredible pent-up demand and vendors' expectations still sitting at 2020 prices, the campaigns that did start in February and March were nothing short of incredible. This was seen across Sydney, with March reported to be the highest growth in values since 1988, with RP data reporting growth in those 4 weeks of 3.7%. Whilst this number seems strong, our statistics for our local area were far more impressive. So let's take a closer look at our local suburbs growth over the past 6 months. It's incredible to think that property prices from the 31st of December to the 31st of March grew by more than $400,000 in Avalon Beach. It's no wonder the first campaigns of this year were so successful for our clients. So what are we seeing today? Well, there's now plenty of evidence to feed vendors' confidence, with recent price growth nothing short of spectacular.
However, there's always a tipping point when sellers seem to decide en masse that the market is just too good to ignore and it's time to list. This usually results in a continuing trend of rising stock, and eventually supply catches up to demand and the market comes down a bit. The most recent data indicates this trend might be starting now, as CoreLogic is reporting new listings being up by nearly 10% across the country. So now could be the perfect time to sell, with prices potentially peaking in this current cycle and the prospect of more choice for when vendors re-enter the market. With 2022 being an election year, we believe the next 6 months could be the best selling environment for the medium term. McGrath Pittwater is continuing to grow, and we've just recorded our best year with over $433 million in sales. That's nearly $500 million in sales. Well done to our team that have also won numerous awards this year from Rate My Agent and REB. Call our amazing team if you would like to discuss the market and your plans in more detail. We look forward to updating you again later in the year.